Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you another topper review. This is of the Top Wave 12-inch from Jon Renau in the color shaded Mocha, which is also known as 24BT18S8. I can say that number in my sleep. So, I'm going to continue to do some of these topper reviews, but one thing I want to just kind of have you bear in mind is that my bio hair is super duper short and it's kinky and curly and frizzed out. So it's not really great for integrating toppers. But that's kind of a good thing, I think, for you guys, because it'll be extremely easy for you to see what kind of coverage the topper will give you. And it's really easy to see where my hair ends and the topper begins, which is not necessarily something that would be easy to determine if I were genuinely trying to wear this to say, look how cute I am. Like, this isn't about how I look in the topper. It's really about how you look when you buy the topper. So I really just want to show you the topper. So this is how the Top Wave looks when you first get it out of the box. I'm going to do a little 360 so you can kind of see what I mean. And again, it's really easy to see where my bio hair is because it's really dark and it's kind of poking through. That's why I ordered a slightly lighter color. They also make an 18-inch version of this topper, and it comes down to about here. So it's kind of like the difference between like something like Julienne, even though this is a much more relaxed wave pattern than the one on their Julienne wig. And in fact, Sarah is the full wig version of the Top Wave 18-inch. So next, I'd like to go ahead and gently comb this out. This is a synthetic topper. It's very lightweight. You know, I have very baby fine hair that's very thin on top, and this actually feels very comfortable on. It's super light with baby fine denier. So that's a really good thing because this is not gonna pull your hair that much, if at all. Like, it's not pulling mine at all. And if you do find that something like this is pulling your hair, just readjust the clips until it's not pulling anymore. Oh, I love this curl pattern, this wave, whatever it is. It's super pretty. So now that I've relaxed it just a little bit with my trusty Jon Renau wide tooth comb, I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you again so you can see what this looks like when you actually wear it, and then use a comb to blend it into your hair. Now, this isn't gonna blend in with my hair at all, but you can still see how pretty this topper is. Easy to see why this one's so popular. This is a very, very popular topper. It is extremely light. This topper is really lightweight. It's 2.9 ounces for the 12-inch version. So that's really great because then again, you don't have to worry about pull as you're walking. You don't have to worry about traction alopecia quite so much. So this is pretty much perfect, especially if you're in the market for a wavy synthetic topper. This is definitely the most convincing one I think I have seen so far. Let me go ahead and take it off so that way I can show you what the base of it looks like. Now, just bear in mind, this one does not have a lace front on it, so it's really meant to be worn off the front hairline, and you can see my bio hairline is quite a bit darker. So I'm gonna release those clips on camera for you. Just be patient with yourself when you're removing and positioning your topper for the first time, or, you know, any subsequent time. You always want to make sure that you're not pulling on your hair. And when you go to lift it up, you sort of want to lift up like that, you know, like nyoomph in the back and nyoomph in the front, sort of, with or without sound effects. So I'm going to go ahead and close these clips so they don't get caught in the hair while I'm talking about stuff. The first thing I would probably do, aside from comb this if I ordered one, I would cut the tags out because you don't want them to go, hello, while you're wearing your topper. So you can see they hang out right on the edge there. It's kind of not great. I mean, it's easy to tell which side is up with these things, so just cut the tags out really carefully. You'll see that this has 5 pressure sensitive clips, one on each side of the temple, one on each side of the back of the base, and one at the front hairline. So you're really supposed to wear it right back behind the front hairline there. This is not a super wide base, but it is generous, so it will give you a fair amount of coverage if you've only got a little bit of thinning on the top of your head here. This is double monofilament on top here, so it gives you the appearance of a scalp. That is not a French top though. You can still see all those knots. So that's the big difference there. French top would kind of obscure the knotting a bit. And here's what that texture looks like combed out up close and personal in this luscious shaded mocha color that's hard to say. But yeah, beautiful topper. I'm not going to put it back on because it's way easier to do that in front of a mirror, and you already saw what this one looks like on me. But I highly recommend it, and if you want something a little bit longer, the 18-inch version is also very nice and lightweight for the length. It's really lovely. Just make sure that you only use synthetic safe styling products on these, and that you only use a wide tooth comb, preferably the Jon Renau wide tooth comb that we sell in our store. We sell both these in our store, which is CysterWigs.com, CysterWigs.com. And until next time, I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.